Good morning, friends. Myself Anushra Soni, Assistant Professor, Mechanical Engineering. Today we will discuss a problem regarding decision tree. In earlier video we have discussed decision tree analysis, that how we construct a decision tree, its components, advantages and different types of decision trees. I will give you the link in the description of this video. To proceed further, we have a problem. Problem is, Jenny Lind is a writer of romantic novels. A movie company and a TV network both want exclusive rights to one of her popular works. If she signs with the network, she will receive a lump sum amount. But if she signs with the movie company, the amount she will receive depend on the market response to her movie. What should she do? Here, Jenny Lind is a writer. She has two options. She can go with the TV network or she can go with the movie company. If she will go with the TV network, she will receive a single amount only, single time amount. But if she will go with the movie company, she will get the amount according to the market response. So let's see what are the payouts and probabilities. Movie company payouts are for small box office, medium box office and large box office. For small box office, 2 lakhs. For medium box office, 10 lakhs. For large box office, 30 lakhs. TV network payout is, it has fixed amount, that is 9 lakhs. And the probabilities are, for small box we have 0.3 probability, for medium box we have 0.6 probability and for large box we have 0.1 probability. To solve the problem, we will make a payoff table. This payoff table consists of decisions and states of nature. We have two decisions. What are the two decisions? Sign with the movie company or sign with TV network. We have to choose between these two. But there are also further alternatives in both these. What are the further alternatives are? These are under the states of nature: small box office, medium box office or large box office, and these have a fixed probability. These probabilities are, for small box office 0.3, for medium box office 0.6 and for large box office that is 0.1. We will put the values in this payoff table and then we construct a tree. Using decision trees can be used as visual aids to structure and solve sequential decision problems, especially beneficial when the complexity of problem grows. We can use decision trees for complex problems also. Here is a brief description of decision tree. We have three types of nodes in the decision tree: decision node, chance nodes and terminal node. Decision nodes are represented by square, chance nodes are represented by circle, terminal nodes are represented by triangles, and these are the optional nodes. Solving the decision tree involves pruning all the but best decisions at decision nodes and finding expected values of all possible states of nature at chance. So here we get a hint that at decision node, after the decision node is diverges into the two decisions, and that two decisions are then diverges into the states of nature at chance nodes. We will create the tree from left to right, but we solve the tree from right to left. Here is the example. Square is the decision node. Decision node is diverges into the different types of decision. How many decisions we have? Here we have two decisions, so we will get two chance nodes, and then chance nodes are further diverges to the events that are states of nature. In our problem, the decision tree is yellow is the decision node. Decision node, here we have two decisions: sign with movie company or sign with TV network. So we will divert this decision node into two branches. There, chance node is again diverges into the three states of nature, that are small box office, medium box office and large box office. In our case, all the three possible states of nature are in both the single with movie also, sign with movie also and sign with TV network also. We will put the values from the payoff table. At 2 lakh for small box office, medium box office 10 lakhs and large box office 30 lakhs. Same with the sign with TV network also. Okay, now in the earlier tree we do not have put the values of probability for different states of nature. In this tree we have already put the value of probability. For small box office 0.3, for medium box office 0.6, and for large box office 0.1 in both the states of nature, in both the decision. Now what we will have to find, we have to find the expected monetary value, and in earlier video we have seen that we will find the expected monetary value and we will go with the highest expected monetary value or highest EMV. So how we will find it? Here we get chance note. At chance note 1, that is signed with movie company, we will get the EMV 9,60,000, and in signed with TV network we get it 9 lakh. I have already said that we will go with the highest EMV value, so we will have put the signed rejected choice in the signed with TV network, so we will go with the signed with movie company. How we get these values? Calculation of EMV at not 1. We have 3 states of nature, we have 3 probabilities, and we have 3 payoffs for one decision. We will multiply the probability with the payoff and add at each particular decision. For first, a small box office, we have probability 0.3 and we have payoff 2 lakh. So 0.3 multiplied by 2 lakh, same 0.6 multiplied by 10 lakh, and 0.1 multiplied by 30 lakh. So we get EMV at node 1. Node 1 is signed with movie company, that is 9,60,000. And with the same procedure, we get EMV at node 2, that is signed with TV network, we get it 9 lakh. We will select the highest EMV, so we will choose the sign with movie company. That's why we will put the sign of rejected at the sign with TV network. By this construction or by this method, you can solve very complex problems also. Thank you so much.